Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm She Africa, Mukunda wa Africa, and Mukunda means the daughter, and I am the daughter of Africa. So guys, today I'm in Masowe area and I've decided to just walk in the woods so that you can see the trees there, and we are in summer, so mitinenge chitungira, and it's so lovely and it's so nice to see those trees. Just looking at them, it heals your soul. So I decided to come here and heal my soul by just walking in the woods with myself. So let's move together and feel the feeling. Feel it. Yes. Feel the quietness of the woods, the quietness here. Look at these grasshoppers. Oh, 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 oh! Did you see that? Yeah. Let me show you. This is a nice tree. A lovely, lovely one. Do you see this? It's lovely. It's beautiful. It looks like a flower. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Let me show you that tree. Oh, now it's big. That one I've showed you is a small one. Now it's big, like this one. Do you see? It's now a big tree, but it's actually beautiful. Do you see the leaves? They are so beautiful, guys. Let me show you this. I don't know, are these fruits or something? Are they? They. Do you see that? That's it. Yes? No. Yes? This is it. And this. There's another one here. This is so beautiful. Wow, it's a beautiful, beautiful plant. Tree or plant, but it's not a tree as such. Do you see how beautiful is this? It's like a flower. I love it. I like it. There are so many here. Do you see? There is another one here. There. And another one there. And this here. Wow. There are so many. So guys, let me show you mugangacha tree. I really love gangacha. I like eating gangacha. It's been years I haven't been eating gangacha. So yeah, if you know a gangacha, you know that gangachas are very sweet and nice. Very sweet, nice. So guys, this is a mugangacha tree. A mugangacha tree is a fruit tree, a wild fruit tree. You can even get a gavi. What do we call gavi? The name of gavi in English, I don't know, guys, but you can get gavi. So gangacha tree can give you fruits, and you can eat fruits and you enjoy yourself, and the fruits are so sweet. Gangachas are so sweet. Let me show you a mutsambati tree. Here there is mutsambati tree. Yeah, it's so beautiful. But there are no fruits. I don't know why. There is another gangacha tree here, and another gangacha tree is here again. This is a gangacha tree. Yes, there are so many gangacha trees here. It's so quiet out here. Very quiet. Yes, yes. Another mtsambati. Another mtsambati tree. Can I find something here? Will I find something here? Nothing is there. Nothing is there. Do you see this grass? It's a very beautiful, beautiful grass. And do you see this? It looks like a flower, or it's a flower. So let me show you what we used to do when we were young. We used to do this, as if as if you are uprooting it like this, and this one, and another one here. Yes, do you see this? What I have here, 3 of these. So let's try and make something here. Take these 3, you cross them like this, cross this, and cross this like this, and you start making something as if you want to, like this, and this. Do you see that? Like this. Plating. Yes. Flowers, nice flowers, good flowers. Aloe vera.